So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. So the next topic is Uber is now going to start videotaping every single ride.
Oh, that's good. They should have been doing that for like this whole past few years.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? It's not pulling up. Hold up. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Hold up, guys.
It's playing.
It's what?
There's some video playing.
Yeah, that's not the right one.
Oh. Okay.
Hold up. I'm gonna So you're in Miami?
No. I mean, yeah. I wish.
Yeah.
Wait, which video are you trying to pull up right now?
Let me go on YouTube.
Because we're having technical difficulties.
No, we're chilling.
Oh.
You want to read the chat?
Yeah, I'll look at the chat right now. Let's see. R.W. Butler says, cancel them.
Cancel who?
Probably the people we were reacting to, like the bad passengers.
Yeah.
Yeah, there aren't really any new comments, to be honest. Okay,
so this is a big update, guys. Uber is now going to start recording videos of all your rides. This is the start of the metaverse, right? Everything's being filmed now. There's cameras everywhere. You can't get away with anything.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good for safety. I'll put it that way. You want to watch this?
Yeah.
Video recording through the driver's phone.
Shout out to once again. I feel like we're basically like the Rideshare Guy. We're just plugging him, but like go subscribe to him because they had an exclusive interview with Uber. I mean, we can't compete. Like they're literally out here interviewing Uber. Like we don't got that.
That's pretty wild. I don't know how. Like I don't know.
Honestly, I feel like I wouldn't want to interview them because I feel like they'd be like, they would hate me. Like they're like, you talk about like, I don't know. I just say whatever's on my mind, and like sometimes it's not that good for them.
Video recording through the driver's phone, which has been a long-standing request from drivers. Many drivers,
also Uber deactivated me, so I have some beef with them.
Oh yeah.
You know, they use dash cams, they buy aftermarket dash cams, they put it in their cars. It works for many of them, but we have also heard that, look, these dash cams are expensive. Not everyone wants to put them in their car. And I think that solution works for some, but we also wanted to provide something that would be free and that would be available to everyone. And we have been working on that for a few quarters. And we are at a point where we want to start testing it. So we are launching it as a pilot. And again, the way it would work is, in the driver's phone, they can turn it on. It's using their front-facing camera. Right. And as I mentioned about audio, it will get recorded. It will be encrypted and kept on the driver's phone and only shared with Uber in case that they want to share with us. There's a safety incident and we'll be able to do this. We are bringing video recording.
So how is that going to work? Because like they're going to start recording video through the driver's phone?
I feel like it's going to like do a lot of damage to the phone to just have what's going on at the same time.
Like phones aren't designed to just be filming like 24/7.
Yeah, exactly. It's not like how the cameras are made, but if you have it on a mount like this, you can have the back camera recording outside and the front camera recording inside when it's like mounted up.
They said it's only the front facing one.
Oh. Oh.
It's only for the inside.
Oh, okay.
I feel like it's just gonna like the phones are gonna start breaking like.
Yeah, like they're not meant to just be on and running for like however long. Like let's say you do Uber for 12 hours a day.
Yeah. Like
it's just on for 12 hours. It's gonna like destroy the battery. I don't know.
Yeah, your phone's like, you know when your phone like it starts like glitching and like apps start quitting like.
Yeah, and it'll start like overheating too.
Yeah, especially if you're driving in like a hot area like Texas or something.
Mm-hmm.
Or I mean even California or like wherever, Florida, like in the summer, imagine like 100-degree day, your phone's like streaming. It's gonna like, your app's gonna start crashing. Cause guys, like at the end of the day, if you're filming, whether or not that video's being saved to your phone or not, it still uses bandwidth.
Yeah.
It still, you know, requires a certain amount of RAM to be used. You know, it's just like when, just imagine you have a computer on and you have 50 apps open and you have, you know, one's exporting a really long video, another one's streaming, another one's watching Netflix. Like,
yeah,
sooner or later your computer's gonna get like, yeah, it might be fine at the beginning, but what happens a year later, 2 years later? Like your phone's gonna start breaking down a lot faster.
Yeah.
I just don't like, I think it's a good idea. I think the intention is good, but I don't think it's realistic because the whole point of this is to make sure that every single ride is being recorded.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd be better off just getting a camera or like providing everyone with a camera. I don't know.
Especially because like, you never know when something bad's going to happen in your car. And what if something bad happens in your car and then you're like, oh, let me set up my phone to start recording this. But, you know, like, what if you miss your passenger, like, hitting you? Like,
yeah.
Then you're like, oh, let me record this real quick. Like, that's why you need to make sure it's constantly recording. That's why dash cam works well.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's just my thought on it, but I think it is good intention because I think the rides should be recorded for safety, first and foremost, and for driver protection against false reports from passengers.
Yeah.
And again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.